everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to DM someone on Discord. Now to do this, open the Discord application on your mobile device first. Once you do that, you need to get logged in into the account. Now once you're at this homepage, you need to tap on the person icon. That is the icon just beside your search icon. Tap that and there you will have all the list of friends that is on your Discord. You tap upon a certain friend, tap that, and there you tap on message in the profile box. Tap that. Now from here you will be able to send a direct message to them. Tap on that person and there you type in the text that you want to send. Then tap on the send icon. It will send the message to the person right away. You need to make sure that you are friend with this person or you are connected to each other with a certain server. Otherwise the message will not get delivered. So this is how you can DM someone on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.